Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a really exciting night. I'm so excited tonight because we're going to be picking our winner for the $50 gift card from Fluid Art Co. to celebrate our 500th video, which I'm really excited about. So many of you have left so many wonderful comments. I'm so excited, and we're going to probably do that after we finish shooting tonight. So I'm really excited about that. The other reason I'm super excited is because we're doing a mini collab tonight with some of my best friends, Brian Siglarski from Studio 15 Acrylics, Nate Bright from Nate Bright Art, and Kelly Stoll from Feral Art. We're all gonna do the same technique, and I think it's gonna be really cool because their pieces are amazing. You guys are in for a treat today. It's gonna be some awesome stuff. So make sure you check out their videos. I will link them in the description box right after mine. But let's get started with this tonight because this is going to be really fun. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have taped the back and put my push pins in, and I have painted the sides and edges with one of my colors. Let's look at those colors because they are delicious. Okay, so first one, I guess everything is kind of customized again. This one started off as Golden's Prussian blue, and I added a little bit of Golden's dioxazine purple to it to deepen it up and to sort of give it a violet-y tone, which I really like. I'm really digging on this. Everything is mixed tonight with Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol and water as I need it. And then this one, this is the Folk Art Treasure Gold in Aquamarine, but I have added just a dollop of the Deco Art Emerald Green to it, and I really love this. I think it's so beautiful. This is just gorgeous. So this is what it looked like before. And now it's just got a splash of green into it, which I really like. And then we are using Golden's Turquoise Phthalo, probably one of my favorite colors ever. I have called this one Happiness in a Cup many a time because it really does make me happy. Just beautiful color. I love this. Not super thick tonight. Slight mound before it sinks into itself. Okay, then we have Amsterdam Titanium White with just a little bit of satin enamels in there. The Deco Art Americana Decor Satin Enamels in pure white. Okay. And I also have the lovely 24 karat gold, also from Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics. Beautiful. And then I have some Australian Floetrol, which I just love this little container. How cute is he? I have mixed this with the dioxazine purple, and this is going to be my cell activator. Okay, so what we're going to do tonight, first, we are going to take my titanium white base coat color that I have. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so we're going to take our base coat. Where's my stick? Stir. Okay, and we're going to pour a nice big puddle in the center here. Okay. I'm just going to tilt that out a tiny bit. Okay. Now's the fun part. Okay, so we're going to do ribbons in here. Just kind of from up high because I don't want them very thick. Okay. Okay. We're going to come in with some of that aquamarine color. A little bit of gold. Okay. A little bit of this blue violet. That's such a pretty color. I love that. White. And the white is really important because it has that satin enamels in it. Okay.
Base coat doesn't?
And the base coat does not have satin enamels in it, but it's the swiping of it that gives us the cells, and then cells react with the satin enamels, and it's all poofy and beautiful and great. Okay, so I'm gonna take my big huge palette knife here. It has a little bit of paint on it still. Okay. So we're just gonna pour some of our cell activator. This is the Australian Floetrol with the dioxazine purple. Smooth that on there. And this is pretty thin. Okay. Moment of truth. We're gonna do that top one first, each way, starting from like over here.
Okay.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh, that's cool. I love that. That's pretty. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, let's do that again down here. Okay, we're going to do that again with our cell activator. Okay. We're going to go, actually, let's go this way. So we're going to start over here. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Here we go. Okay, I'm in love. I love that turquoise with the dark purple. That's beautiful. Okay, awesome. All right, now we're gonna take our Ceramax Smacks. You know what? I think I want one more, but I want to do a little tiny palette knife. I do it right here in the center. Let's go this way. Yeah?
Which way?
Right here.
Okay.
Here we go. There we go. That's perfect. Okay, now I'm happy. All right, so smack stick. We're gonna wreck this a little bit. Here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. That's looking pretty cool. We're gonna come over here now. All right. Okay. I like it. I'm happy. All right, that's good. Now, I'm gonna take the rest of our flow extender. We're gonna go around this. So, everything is looking fantastic. I'm very excited about this. Let's look at this real quick. This in here with that purple and the turquoise and the aquamarine and then the little bit of the swirl. I'm loving. I think I want to add one more. There we go. And maybe one in here. It's probably going to get tilted off anyway, but I really like the lines through the cells. Okay. All right. Let's tilt it before we mess it up. We're going to go off that way first. Let's see. Nice and even. Walking it down again. A little more flow extender over here. pull it back this way just a little bit first before I take it off that corner, because I don't want to lose all that. Nice and slow. Shove it back over this way and take it down. This side. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, I'm happy. I love this. It looks really neat. What do you think, HOA?
Yeah. It's boss.
I love that dark bluey violet. It's so pretty. And I'm really glad that we used that cell activator too, the permanent violet. Or the dioxazine purple. This is neat. Okay. Hands off. And look at it. So I love the fact that we have the cells on the top and the bottom, and there's some really pretty cell structure in here. This is beautiful. I kind of want to take this down just a little bit more. That's cool. I love all of this too. It's really beautiful. And these cells, this whole like band is just really pretty. This is gorgeous right there, that swoop. And I love all that lacing in here. And this part is so pretty. It's cool. The only one part I'm not crazy about is right here. And this, I'm just gonna do a little.
Wreck it. Wreck it. Wreck it.
That's better. Maybe we'll do one through there. Okay, now I'm stopping. I'm not going to touch it anymore. Okay, this is awesome. I'm very, very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's not going to be trying time to show you for Sunday, but I will show you the dried results from our 500th video, 500 Beautiful Dreams, and we're gonna go pick the winner, and we will announce the winner right after this. So I will show you this one dry in the next video. Thank you so much for being here and being part of my journey, and for being so supportive and so loving. And you guys mean so much to me and HOA, and you know, this is just, it's the most fun. So, get back. That's really cool. Okay, so here are our dried results for our 500th video giveaway. This one was 500 Beautiful Dreams. It turned out really, really pretty. I love all of this detail in here, especially this beautiful wispy bit up here at the top. from that last pour that we did. Came out so pretty, and I do see the egotistical on there. It's giving me a lot of shimmer. Not as much shifting with this one, but very, very pretty stuff. I love that bronze going through there in the bottom, this sort of wispy, cloudy bit right here. Lots of really pretty details in this whole thing. So this one came out really, really awesome. Thank you guys so much for all your love and your support. I'm so excited that so many of you have entered to win our drawing for the $50 giveaway gift card from Fluid Art Co. HOA is standing over there. Can you say hi, HOA?
Hey, HOA.
You're so funny. Baxter's back there too somewhere. But we're gonna go inside and pick a winner so that we can put it in the video for you guys on Sunday. Congratulations, and thank you so much to everyone who did enter. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and had fun. And yeah, so this was awesome. The one that we poured today is not quite dry yet, so I will show you that next time. Hi, Baxie. Hello, Baxter. Hello, puppy dog. What you doing? Where's that good boy? You're so shiny, Bax. Anyway, sorry about that. But yeah, I will show you the results of the one that we poured today in the next video. Sorry about that. It's actually been kind of cold. It's funny, when the sun came out, I was like, oh, let me go get the painting and shoot the dried result while it's sunny. So lots of fun. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today. We love and appreciate you all, and congratulations to our winners. We'll be right back. Okay, we are here at our YouTube random comment picker. I have put in the URL of my video, and we have 199 unique comments, so now we're going to pick our winner. Good luck, everybody. Patricia Haven, 500 beautiful dreams. Very nice. Patricia, please email me, and I will send your name and email address to Fluid Art Co., and they will hook you up with your gift card. Congratulations, Patricia. I'm so happy for you. I hope you get all the piggies that your heart desires, and we're real happy for you. So congratulations. Thank you, everyone, for playing. I really appreciate you guys. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Please check out Brian Zaglarski from Studio 15 Acrylics next, and then Kelly from Viral Art, and then Nate Bright Art as our sexy caboose for today. Thanks for being with us today, guys. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.